Hello, I'm Rachel. I'm a data engineer in the technology division of a financial services firm. Even though I enjoy what I'm doing now, engineering wasn't love at first sight for me. After my N-levels, I was actually pretty sure that I would go to an art school to study fashion design, since I'm not really an academic person and never really excelled in my studies. But this changed after I randomly read up on Formula 1 during my holidays. I couldn't understand why anybody liked it at first. But as I read about how the cars are built and all the innovations involved in the races, I thought all of these were really cool. I wanted to be able to design something cool as well, so I decided to sit for the O-levels and pursue engineering after that. I studied mechatronics when I was in poly. During one major project, I had the opportunity to plan, design, and build an engineering solution. I discovered that I like building things, and the fulfillment from creating a final product stayed with me for a long time. I furthered my studies at DigiPen Singapore as I was drawn to the modules in systems engineering course. The school has a reputation for nurturing good candidates for the industry, and being a graduate makes me proud that I managed to complete the degree. From late nights spent working on projects and assignments to studying hard for my exams, this educational journey has really prepared me to work effectively in a high-pressure environment. Ultimately, DigiPen graduates are really tough cookies. No matter the challenge, we already know that we can solve the problem and we don't give up. This is what it means to be a DigiPen dragon.